How to remove the phone number from your Google account. So I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on mobile as well. So first thing you need to do is head over to the website google.com and make sure you're signed into your Google profile. Now click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and then select manage your Google account. From the left hand side, click on security and sign in. You can then scroll down and click on recovery phone. You may need to sign back in to your Google account by entering the password. And once you're signed in, you should have the option to either edit or remove your phone number. Now, if you don't have this option or you can't delete your phone number, this is usually because the phone number is linked to your two-factor authentication. So if you come back over to the previous window, you can click on two-step verification, scroll down to phone number and click on this. And you'll need to go and delete your phone number from the two-step verification. You can also come back over to the previous window again. If you scroll down and you have the option for two-step verification phones, click on this. And you may also need to remove the phone number from this section here. Once you've done this, you should be able to delete your phone number from the recovery phone section.